kama ekari kama hizi, kuna wakulima tofauti tofauti. Kwanza kwa wale wakulima wanaojitegemea ambao hawajafadhiliwa kutoka mahali. Labda tuseme kama hii kilimo cha AFC huwa imefadhili maji, imelipa kila kitu, labda pengine mkulima kwa ile sehemu yake na uplay. Lakini katika hii scheme tuko na wakulima wanaojitegemea kutokea maji, tinga na kila kitu. Sasa tunajaribu kusaidiana sana kubebana, wale ambao wako na uwezo tusiwache nyuma wale ambao hawana uwezo. Kwa hivyo mara nyingi tunapoona kwamba pengine ni ekari 50 ziko tayari na wakulima wako tayari, na kati ya wale wakulima kuna wale ambao hawana uwezo wa kulipia maji upfront, tunazungumza na tunakubaliana, tunawabeba, wanapomaliza kilimo tunahakikisha kwamba wamelipa maji kwa wakati unaohitajika. Na pia mara nyingi wanadamu pia saa zingine kuna changamoto zake. Kuna wengine ambao labda wakati mwingine inatokea kwamba labda amevuna na kwa akachukua mazao labda akatoka nayo nje. Inatubidi tujaribu kumtafuta ili tupate yale malipo, na tunapokosa basi huwa tunamzuia kuingia katika kilimo kingine.
Ni wakulima wengi ambao hawana uwezo, sasa hao ndio wamefungiwa nje. Lakini wangepata mdhamini, hakika skimu hii ingekuingelimwa mchele, ingelimwa mpunga kwa wingi.
Kwa changes tunalipisha shilingi 3,400 kwa msimu kwa eka moja. Na msimu ni kumaanisha kutoka upande mpaka uvune. Hiyo ndio changes. Kwa matumizi, sababu ya mtaro yetu ni ya faro, hatujadhibitisha ile kiwango kamili, lakini tukikisia we do around 11.4 meter cube of water daily kwa kuwezesha kusupply water kwa eneo zote za skimu hii. 11.4. The acres now currently we have 2,250 acres under different crops. In every cropping area we have storage reservoirs. We are not calling them dams because dams are more actually they are big, they are large and multi-purpose and multi-use. These are water reservoirs, and we have now around 10 reservoirs in different areas. This is the largest, the newly constructed one, and the purpose of this one is to ensure the stability. And being the tail end from the source of water, this is the far end. So the distance it travels to ensure that water reaches here and in current supply, we saw the need to increase the capacity of our storage and also to allow for room to expand. Down here you can see these blocks which are coming up. We will be able to add more acreage, close to 1,500 acres down, and that now necessitated construction of a bigger reservoir to be able to. Capacity is 2,000 cubic meters. 200,000 cubic meters.
Diesel pumping and using of the pumps is a very costly affair. We've put in measures, and as I speak now, we are doing construction work for the gravity flow system. Already phase 1 and phase 2, the contractors are on site. This will enable us to do away with the costly pumping and even the associated maintenance of the generators, control panels and the pumps. So the cost of supplying water to Bura scheme will be lower compared to as it is now. The scheme has a potential of 25,000 acres. Currently what we've developed is 12,000 acres, and we are in the process of expanding to cover the 25,000 acres. As we speak now, we are doing our gravity intake because currently we do pump water using diesel, and once we are through with the gravity intake, we'll drop in the remaining 12,000 acres. So that total we can have the 25,000 acres. We use diesel, we pump using diesel, and we also have pumps, but after pumping the water from the river, it will flow by a gravity on its own up to Bura. Our pump station is about 50 kilometers away from where the scheme is settled, and normally the hours of pumping depend on on the acreage that we are irrigating, but I will give a rule of the thumb. If we are doing around 2,000 acres, we'll pump water for at least 15 hours in a day. Yes. There is a challenge that we faced, especially in payment of O&M. As I'd said, the current rate that the farmers pay, 5,000 shillings per 1.5 acre, is a subsidized cost. But still you find farmers are struggling to at least pay that money. Our collection of O&M, we are trying our best, and in order to at least improve the collection for O&M, we normally insist we don't issue water until the farmers have paid for the O&M.